The purpose of this video is to instruct you on how to submit your assignments in Blackboard. As you can see here, we are at the announcement screen for our class. What you need to first do is go over here and click on the lessons. You go there, and as you can see, you will find this week's lessons. Click on that. Then you go down, you scroll down to the assignment, which is today is at the bottom. Here it is, introductory paragraph. We click on that, and you'll see a due date, points possible, and some directions on the assignment. So let's show how you can do this. There are two ways you can do this. First way is you can write your text right into this, and you click on here, write submission, and type in something. And when you're done, you will go down here and click on submit. That is one way to do it. The other way is, and this is a editor, it has fonts and stuff like you would see in Microsoft Word. But if you want to do it, and preferably if you want to do it in Microsoft Word, here is another way to do it. You will see here, as I scroll down, you'll see attached files. And we're going to go to Browse My Computer, and we're going to go right here, click on that, and it'll pop up something from mine. And I'm just going to pick a document, pick that one, and then you click on Open, and you scroll down. You will see it right there, and if you discover that it's not the right one, you just click on Do Not Attach, and you can go find another document, and then you click on Submit. That's all there is to it. Very simple. If you have any questions, please send me an email or message me in Teams or on the discussion board, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.